Hey guys, it's Nikki. Today I'm going to be showing you some Instagram hacks that are super secret. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me on my Instagram. The link will be in the down bar below. Now let's get right into the video. So, if you've seen my Instagram, you know that I have a link to my YouTube channel in my bio. So here's how you do it. Just go edit your profile, and there's a thing called website. You can paste your website link there, and people can just press on it. It's super easy. Here I just clicked on the link and it will direct me immediately to my YouTube channel. Isn't that just amazing? Look, so you can just subscribe to my channel on my Instagram without even going to my YouTube channel. Wow! So you want to learn how to get that super cool story such as this, where you can just tap there and it will direct you immediately to the post. Well, I got a hack for you. So just choose a photo, press that arrow thingy, and you can choose to post it onto your story. Now make it small, super small, that you can hide behind a sticker or anything. Now just find a sticker that you like, and I just chose the classic tap here so anyone knows that you can just tap there. So yeah, there are so many choices, just choose anything you want. I just chose the classic black one, but you can go with anything. Now just cover it, make sure you cover it so no one can see what it is. And yeah, you can just write anything you want, put more stickers and GIFs, just decorate it. Here I just drew some arrows because sometimes arrows are really convincing too. But you can draw anything, this is just for fun. I just drew some random arrows. And yeah, you can just post it. Do you guys love to stalk people? I know some of you do. And remember those times when you're scrolling down someone's Instagram and you accidentally like a post from like 2 years back? Well, here's a hack for you, so you'll never like a photo from so long ago and show that you're stalking them. Just put your phone to airplane mode. That way, you won't use any Wi-Fi or data, so you can't like any photo by accident. Here, I'll demonstrate it. See, I like that photo, but it automatically disliked by itself because there is no Wi-Fi or data. You can thank me later. Do you want to post something cool on your story? Well, there's this thing called Type, where you can just type whatever you want without using your own photo. For example, there are so many fonts, and that little dot over there, you can just click on that and you can get different cool ombre designs which are super cute. And if you don't like the picture, you can just discard it. Did you know there was a hack where you can use less data on Instagram? Just click those 3 lines and press settings. There's this thing called mobile data usage. You can click on that and you can enable less data usage, which helps honestly. Did you know that you can actually save posts so you won't lose it? Just click on a post, press that flag thingy, and it will say save to collection. Then you can name your collection such as stuffs, I don't know. And then you can just go to stuffs and you can look at all the stuff that you put in stuffs. To look at your collection, simply press saved in the 3-bar section and you can just look at all your collections and posts that you've saved. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope these hacks were useful and please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. See you guys next time!